Welcome back, everybody. Today, I'm going to teach you how to add text after your site title in Squarespace 7.1. This is a great way to add a tagline or subtitle that appears right alongside your site name, giving visitors more context about what your site offers. Also, if you're interested in business tools that could improve your workflow, I've dropped a few links in the description down below. Let's start by opening your browser and heading to squarespace.com. Once you're there, go ahead and log into your account using your credentials. This will take you straight to your Squarespace dashboard where all your websites are listed. Now that you're on the dashboard, you'll see all the websites associated with your account. Simply click on the website where you want to add text after the site title. This opens up the main editing interface for that specific site, giving you access to all the customization tools you'll need. On the left side menu, look for the option labeled website and click on it. Under that section, you'll find pages, so go ahead and click on that as well. This area typically manages your site structure, but we're going to move beyond this to access the more advanced customization features. Focus your attention back on the left side menu. This time you'll want to locate and click on Custom Code. This section is where Squarespace allows you to inject your own code to customize elements beyond the standard design options. Under Custom Code, you'll see an option for Custom CSS. Click on that to proceed. Now here's where the magic happens. I already have a code snippet prepared for you, so feel free to pause the video right now to copy it down. This code is what will enable the text to appear after your site title, and it's specifically formatted to work seamlessly with Squarespace 7.1. Once you've copied the code, paste it directly into the custom CSS field. You'll notice within the code there's a placeholder that says your tagline. This is the part you can edit to include any text you want to display after your site title. Maybe it's your business slogan, a brief descriptor, or anything else that adds value to your branding. Take a moment to customize this text to fit your needs. After you've made your edits and you're happy with how the tagline reads, it's time to lock in your changes. Simply click the Save button. Give Squarespace a moment to process and apply your custom CSS. Once it's saved, the text you added will now appear right after your site title across your website. And that's it. You've successfully added custom text after your site title in Squarespace 7.1, giving your site a more polished and informative look. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.